Today we are going to do blowing. Yes, do it.
Yeah, okay, so
it's
we're
gonna
gonna
be so much fun. So there's about like over 200 like stuffies in two big bins, and they're going to be throwing them at us, and we're going to try to survive the boat, and then so they're trying to invade
So
our
we're just
house.
gonna pile you guys up with stuffed animals.
Yeah, and they're trying to invade our house. So there's over like 200.
So there's a
let's-
bear and a Supergirl.
Let's
start us off.
Ah! No!
Another yellow bear.
They're killing us!
I got it.
Blue bunny.
Oh, my
It
head.
hit my fur!
Dublin.
Ow!
Don't catch those ones. Penguin from Alaska. Well, territories. Baby bear.
Oh, God, I broke my neck there.
Giganto.
Oh my God, my head!
Kind of like a Winnie the Pooh.
I got this.
Cupid. Aw.
Do it.
Ah! That guy took my head off.
Boing, 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 boing. Hopper.
Whooping, ouch. You silly
Aw, Bloom. Pretty flower bear.
Awesome hand, Elvis. Look at my awesome hand.
A little crochet ducky.
Look at my awesome hand that I got.
Whoa.
Yeah.
A puppy.
Oh my God, I got hit by the hand.
Kangaroos. Mama and baby kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Oh my God.
Oh, a nice pony. Unicorn.
Oh, God. Ow! Ouch!
A little bear.
Ouch!
And of course, this one's a big Olaf. A little girl with her pony.
No!
It hurt my thumb.
Binu from Tupi and Binu. Strawberry Kiss Shopkins.
Really that
Snail.
Oh, God!
A tiny little baby bear from your McDonald's Happy Meal with a golden bow. A bear.
Oh no.
Oh, God!
Ooh, a cute puppy chihuahua.
Yeah.
And an ostrich. And a panda. Oh, what's his name? Bananas. Ooh,
Ow!
let's see Minnie.
Oh, God!
And
I got Minnie!
of course a Hello Kitty beanie.
Put it on my foot. Ow!
Oh, and we got ourselves Gingerbread Man. And an emoji.
Oh my God!
And this is Rarity.
This hurts! Oh, he's not hurting us!
And a little kitty. Or sorry, a mouse.
That's a kitty!
That's a kitty. And a pig. He's got a nice little ribbon.
Wow!
And we got ourselves a, whoa, one big pink
Oh my
Easter
God,
egg
oh my
bunny.
God.
Watch out! And this cute little bear with some crazy eyes.
My brain just exploded.
And a nice car.
That was 10 bucks!
We got ourselves Elsa.
Oh my God!
And then a pony in this. And of course, Mickey with the Santa hat.
Oh!
Quack, 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 quack.
Ducky. And we have here Belle from Beauty and the Beast.
Come on!
And a tiny little bear.
Ow! I don't think I know.
And eggs. Easter egg bear. That one's gonna hurt. Whoa.
Oh,
That
my Jenna!
Yoda. Watch
Oh,
out.
God, that hurt.
That is Hero.
That hurts. That hurts. It landed on me.
Stretchy the ostrich. A small one of him. Watch out.
Ow!
You okay?
Yeah.
A bear.
Oh my God!
And who's this?
For the side.
Fluttershy. Mwah.
Oh my God.
Yum, 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 yum.
Nemo minion. Oh, who's this guy? Oh, look at that. What's that guy? He's probably gonna land on his belly or land on his feet. This is Sammy.
Oh my God, I can't just roll it over you.
And this is Toopy from Toopy and Binu.
Oh my God.
It's Max from Max and Ruby.
That hurt. Ouch. It like
And a ballerino Hello Kitty. And a colorful froggy.
Ow!
And Crunch.
Crunch.
Ow! He twice me.
And a football. Catch it. Oh, he doesn't even catch it.
Oh my God!
Kinder Surprise Bunny.
Oh God, that landed.
Another Mickey. And Ruby from Max and Ruby.
Oh,
A bear. And this guy, watch his shoe, it's gonna hurt. Huggy.
who's that? Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God!
It looks so creepy.
A cute little bunny from a Happy Meal.
Oh my God!
Cloverleaf bear.
Whatever it says. That.
There.
Ouch! It like scraped my
Lion.
arm. It like scraped
Funny
my
little
arm.
elephant.
Oh. This thing right here scraped
That's the
my
best monkey
arm.
ever. Snake.
Oh my God.
Cinderella.
It licked you.
Whee!
What did you
Another big bear.
It's scared.
And another bear. Whoops, sorry. Goofy. A sheep puppet. A pretty seahorse. A gecko.
Oh my God, that's scared.
Christmas Minnie.
That's scared.
Another Max.
Oh God, that scared me to death.
How you guys doing down there? This is Dragon.
I know.
Princess Zelda.
Ow!
Ooh. Is that a crabby crab? A cute bear. And we got ourselves a Halloween being tricky. Beanie baby.
Again, be a neighbors.
Oh, I like this green bunny.
Oh yeah. Nice.
And a sheep. Country sheep. Number 100.
Yay!
Another lucky bear. And a koala named Mel.
That's right you.
That's my name. And another beautiful bear.
Oh my God.
And an interesting bunny.
What?
And this bear with his Canada tie is called. Let's see this. Their names are on the inside here. It is called Pops. And this cute little Winnie the Pooh. And a beautiful seahorse.
Oh, that was so amazing.
And an octopus. And a squid.
Oh my God.
And we got Dorothy the dinosaur from the Wiggles in her beautiful ballet outfit. Nice tutu, Dorothy. And another bear. And another seahorse. And, oh, this cute little sheep. Aww, I like her. I forgot about her. And a cute little bunny. And a little gecko. And a little crab. And whew, look at this. What is that, the orangutan? And a bunny.
Just touched it too.
A squeaky bird. And we got Mooch. He's cute. And a tiny, tiny little baby sheep.
He's cute.
He's cute. And a bear. Again. Lots of stuffed bears.
Look at this guy.
A little rooster.
Oh, that hurt.
And another little bear.
Ah.
And quack, quack. Little duck, duck.
Quack, quack, quack.
And a fish. And a beautiful birthday bear. And a nice Easter bunny. And a nice froggy. And a bear. And a turtle. And a crazy frog. Oh, and this pretty little Easter bunny. And another crab. Lots of crabs. And a little puppet bunny. And we got ourselves a tiny little frog. And, oh sorry, turtle. Another turtle. That's a frog. And this is a caterpillar.
Oh, caterpillar!
Quack,
And
quack, quack, quack,
another duck. And a cute puppy. And a nice little knitted bear. And a beautiful parrot. And now the number 1 sheep. We had the number 100 and now the number 1. And a nice cute little knitted bear.
Ow! Ow! My face!
Well, don't go for the hard one.
Eyes hit my tooth.
And A and W bear. We don't have to try to catch all of them. A beautiful gecko.
Hit me!
Another beautiful gecko. And we got ourselves a chipmunk.
Ow.
And this one is a little kind of squishy baby book there. Watch it, this don't want to get hit by that guy. And oh my goodness, we have ourselves. Whoa! It's Eeyore. From Winnie the Pooh. Whee!
That hit me right in the face!
Oh my goodness, it's a humongous
Bunny!
bunny! Whoa, this thing is big. Ready?
Yep. Oh!
And this is Diego from Dora. And we got ourselves a cute little swan. So, whoa. Oh, I'm dropping things
I got
myself.
knocked out.
Starfish.
Ow.
Quack, quack, quack. Nice little duck.
Ow.
Oh, and here is Everest from Paw Patrol.
Oh, God.
And a fluffy little book.
Done.
And a birthday bear. And a froggy. I think they're tired down there, I think. And a nice little stuffed duck girl.
Woo! I can't relate.
Nice. And a
Hey, what's going on around here? Oh, this looks like a lot of fun. I'm gonna do some base jumping. Woo! Are you guys ready? Yeah! All right, here I come.
Hit in the face.
and oh, this is a nice dog.
So you hit me! Ow!
And another little girl. And oh my goodness, who's coming in for a landing?
It's another mouse.
It's a big bear. Ready?
Yep.
Orange Ellie. And oh, this is from the new movie. What's it called again? Oh, right. The Secret Life of Pets. And this is Max. Got him in your Happy Meal. And this is a snake. Yuck. I don't like snakes.
Yes. See.
And this is Cheesy from Shopkins. Oh, and we got ourselves the Beanie Boos now. This is Casey. And this is Oliver.
His birthday today.
It's his birthday today, that's right. And a nice bear. Oh, and Princess Twilight Sparkle from My Little Pony.
Yes. Woo! Oh my God! It's like
Pablo.
You can always
Oh, this is Chase, one of your favorites from Paw Patrol with a nice little bow. Whoop. Chase is on the case, ready? This is the koala named Cuckoo, Beanie Boo. Oh, and a beautiful ballerina bunny. Whoa, 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 what's this?
Another
What's this? What's this? It's a big baseball. And this is Brian, the dog from Family Guy. Oh, and who's this? Zoe? Or someone from Sesame Street? And another Max from Secret Life of Pets. And I think we all know who this guy is. Pikachu! This is Roxy, the Beanie Boo. Ooh, careful. This is Dottie. She's got lots of spots and very colorful. This is Kiki, another Beanie Boo, and we put a nice little ribbon on her. And another Beanie Baby. Oh, and then of course, who's this one? Apple Bloom?
No, it's Apple Crunch.
Apple Crunch? Oh, okay, I get confused with them all. I know it's not Apple Jack. And this cute little reindeer. And we got Apple Blossom from Shopkins. Woo! And another little baby bear from the Happy Meal. And another Beanie Baby. And another Cheesy. And this is Oscar the owl. These are nice colors. And this is Waddles, because penguins kind of waddle when they walk. Whoa, I hear a puppy. I think you just gotta lie down now. And this is Ice Cube, because he's super blue cool. Another Beanie Boo named Icy, little seal. And this is Slick, Slick Fox.
Give me
And
some
this is one Sharp Dresser Bear.
Give me some.
I like his outfit.
Give me some.
Oh my
And a cute
God,
little bear.
I almost broke my arm.
This is Tracy, a Beanie Boo. Oh,
That one
Cheesy again.
is between.
This is Fantasia, the unicorn Beanie Boo. And Leona, another Beanie Boo.
Mine.
And one pink bear.
That almost breaks my arm.
Oh my goodness, and we got ourselves a Dalmatian with a pretty little ribbon again. You're
Evie.
calling it Evie?
Yep.
Okay.
Named after a Pokemon.
Oh, okay. And we got ourselves a Teddy 2000. Wonderful teddy bear. Look at his outfit. He's ready for the show.
Whoa.
And this is a cute purple monkey named Grapes.
Owie. My spindle. That almost breaks off my spindle.
Oh, and look at this wonderful puppy. It's like a Christmas puppy. Look at his feet. Like a cute little candy cane bone.
Mine. I got it, mine.
He's heavy.
Okay, can I have it?
And I think we all know where this guy's from.
Well, no.
A&W bear. We just threw down a tiny little A&W bear. Here's the big one.
Where's my W here?
I don't
And we got ourselves some Wags the dogs from the Wiggles. W for Wags.
I need one.
And a nice orange. Ooh, the Queen 2002. Nice orange beanie.
I'll have that one.
A nice fish.
I'll call that one Lips.
This is cute Cookie. He's cute.
I got it, mine.
And a tiny little Lucky Bear.
Mine.
And we got ourselves a green crayon.
Mine, oh.
And a turtle. And we got ourselves a lobster.
I got it, mine. Ah!
Nice one. Cookie from Shopkins.
That's all me. Nice.
And this is a little turtle named Pipsy.
That's Boss's.
And mine.
And a green frog.
Mine.
You guys just have to share.
Mine.
And a big caterpillar named Splat. And we got ourselves a fish. Again, a pretty
Oh, I
pinky
got
fish.
this one.
I'm going to sit a little
Ooh.
more back.
Look at this guy. He's quite a big
I need
bird.
I need
He's got angry eyes.
Oh, you can have it.
Oh, and a nice little bear.
Mine. I call it
You have a
mine.
catch in it.
And a
Mine.
pink crayon.
That's yours.
Nice catch. And a little fishy fish.
Mine. Oh, I wanted
It
mine.
landed
And this little guy who hangs on your door. Watch it, he's got a little hard part on him.
Move.
Oh, this is a cute little poodle.
That's mine. Call it mine.
And we got ourselves the Snyder's
Mine.
Canada Moose. Tiny little bear. And another tiny little Happy Meal bear.
Look, I found a pink Pac-Man.
Oh, and a beautiful Easter bunny. Another Easter bunny.
I found a pink Pac-Man.
That's mine. That's mine.
Oh, and a little baby. Watch your head.
Oh, wait.
And this cute little puppy. He's got cute eyes too. He's a cute
I
one.
put him in my bunny.
And of course, Ellie. Watch out, there's Ellie.
Oh, Ellie.
And I Love Hawaii Beanie Baby Bear. And this is a big puppy.
Oh, okay.
And this is a Beanie Boo named Dill, because he's green.
And I'm going to read the thing that he has. It says, I'm not a pickle, but I'm very green. If I had in the grass, I would see.
This is Macapaka from In the Night Garden.
I love.
Does it make you guys sleepy?
Can I have it? I call it mine. I want it. Come on. I want it. Mine. I call it mine.
And this is Tusk, because she's got a cool walrus tusk. Well, just catch them. And this is another Beanie Baby, big one, with clover leaf.
That's yours.
And another bear.
That's mine.
And this is a karate bear. Oh, big bear coming through. Karate bear coming through. He's pretty heavy. And this is a walking banana.
Can I see?
And a cute little green frog. And, oh, look at this. We got ourselves an angry bird.
I want it. I call it mine. Oh, I want it. I want it.
Oh, and another bigger green froggy. Oh, and look at this beautiful pony. Or unicorn. She's got a horn. And here is Winnie the Pooh as a, like, Robin Hood guy.
Mine.
Cluck, cluck. Chicken.
Mine.
Chicken,
I
chicken.
call it mine.
And it's kind of like a Christmas bear.
Ow.
And a fish. Bumblebee fish.
Do it, bud.
Oh, look at this. Nice, soft, pink piggy.
This one's mine. Yeah. I mean, that one's
And this is Iggle Piggle from In the Night Garden. Oh, we got ourselves the classic baby toy. Watch out, he's heavy.
Oh.
And a cute little Dalmatian with a nice ribbon. Very nice collar. And another bear.
That's mine. I
And a karate panda. Yeah. Oh, and a nice little Dalmatian. Guys, let's see.
I got it.
This is Slush. A Beanie Boo. And this is Arctic.
Mine.
A Beanie Baby. He is cute. And this is a mouse that I had when I was a little girl. She's very cute and crocheted, but she's kind of tiny.
Can I see?
Yes, you can see. And this is a cute little pink bear.
Oh. Mine.
And another Sokka Beanie Baby.
I call it mine.
A nice little sheep.
Oh.
Good catch. And a puppy. And a fish. Wow! There's a funny face.
I love that guy. My pink ring on.
Look at this. Wow. That's a cool whale. I like his colors. And this is Muno? From, where's he from?
I put.
Yo Gabba Gabba!
Yep.
Oh, sorry, sweetie.
Ow.
Apple Blossom.
I lost that when I was 3.
Oh, cute little mouse that I had when I was a little girl. And we got ourselves, who are these?
Bunny.
These are Boss's favorite toys right here. His 2 bunnies. Oh, and we got ourselves another bunny. And we got ourselves Baby Bear, your favorite.
That's mine.
And this is my favorite, Lammy, because I've had Lammy since I was 2 years old. Woo! And we got ourselves Moo, a cow puppet.
I love cows.
And a piggy. Whee! All right, wow, look at all the toys you have. Oh my goodness gracious.
We are left.
Yeah?
We don't know no more left.
Look at all the toys. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of stuffed animals, guys. Holy smokes. Okay, thanks for watching Kids Toys, everyone. Please subscribe. And where's my kids? Oh my goodness, where did they go? Oh, there they are in there. Can you see them? Holy smokes, they're buried in all those toys. That is a lot of toys. Whoa, let's see. Where are they? Where are you guys? Oh, there they are in there. Hi, guys.
I don't know how to put.
Watching Kids Toys. Please subscribe and peace.
Okay, let's see you get out of there.
Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And
Get out. Oh,
Run!
I think you buried your sister. Let's see, Amy, where are you? Can you even get out of there?
No, I'm burying myself again.
All right, see you guys. Thanks for watching, everyone.
That's not see you guys.
Where is she? Oh, there you are. Is it getting a little hot in there? Okay, let's see you guys pop out of there as fast as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump out, jump out! Woo! All right, thanks everyone.
Kids Toys! We're watching Kids Toys! We're watching Kids Toys! You're watching Kids Toys! We're 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 watching Kids Toys!